Hello guys, today is a special day. I got 400 subs. Thank you all for supporting me in my journey. Comment for suggestions or which challenge should I do for 400 special.
Boom! Headshot!
I will try to make my videos upload faster. I will pick a random comment from this video and make a video on that challenge or suggestion, so stay tuned. If you want to add me on Discord, my user is SuperSupreme77. You can message me for suggestions too. That's pretty much it for the video. Thank you all for 400 subscribers.